In this video, I'm going to show you how to create easy video in CapCut PC. The idea of my tutorial is to show main functions how to deal with CapCut PC because this program is really new and it's easy to use basically, but sometimes it could be hard to start, so this tutorial is about it. So let's get started. Basically, when we open our app, we have this window. We can create a new project by clicking Start Creating right up here, or I will open the project which is already exists right up here. So as you can see, I've added some videos, added some audios, but if you want to add them as a new, all you need is just to click on import right up here in the left top menu. So after that, just choose the necessary variants. As you can see, now I'm working on Mac, but this tutorial will be also work for Windows because the navigation in this program is the same for both platforms. So let's get started. Of course, the main thing we need to do is just to put our videos on our timeline. So here in the bottom of the app, we have the timeline, so we can move our video by simply clicking and just moving right up here. So after that, I'd like to scale it for a little to make it a little bit bigger. So just click right up here and then just scale. So to choose the necessary size for our main video. After that, I'd like to cut out some parts right up here. So just move our slide here before the text, split, then just move it to the next part and then just split once more. So this is the way how we can basically delete unnecessary parts of our video. So now it's without any text on it, so it looks like this. Basically, I think it's good. Also, the next step, I would like to add some overlays to add some videos on it. So I want to add this one. This one is a green screen, by the way. Let's also change the duration. Let it be like this, I think. We can mute our audio. And then just we need to remove our chroma key right up here. So to do this, all you need is just to click on this, then go to video, cut out, and then just click on chroma key, select the necessary color right up here. So click here and then just choose. So after that, just change the strength parameters to remove our green border. So now it looks like this. I think it looks good. So after that, I need to resize my overlay, make it less, and then just move it into the left top corner. Let it be like this. I think we can make it even shorter. So after that, I think that's good. I'd also like to add some good weather here. So I will move it right between our two parts of bad weather. So also let's resize it right up here. And so we can choose the necessary part. Let it be like this one. So after that, I think it will be good to add some transitions to make the changes like maybe more interesting or something like this. Basically, they look normal, but let's add some transitions. So in the left top window right up here, click on transitions, and here just find the necessary one. I think that this one is really good and I'd like to use it for both. Let's change the duration right up here. So we can just click and watch. Oh yeah, now it looks much better, by the way. So I think it's good. So after that, I'd like to use some filters for my rain video in this part. So what if I want to do this? Just click on filters right up here, and then we can choose a necessary style. Let it be like nature, I think, and let's try to make it dusk. So the difference is really we can see the difference, yeah. So sometimes basically we also need to add some text or something like this. So I'd like to add text. Click on text right up here. We can try to find different fonts or effects. So let's try to find the necessary one. Let it be like, I think this one is really good. So let's move it right up in the start. So we can delete text here and try to like rain nature, write something like this. So now we can try to watch, and okay, we have some disagreements here, so we can change the duration, and then it looks much better, I think. So yeah, after that I'd also like to add some effects, maybe some shakes or something like this. Let's try to find something interesting here. Basically maybe this one for this. The colors are changing. Okay, I think it could be normal. By the way, it's just an example. I'm just trying to show the main functions of this program you can use in your project. So it may look a little bit weird, but it's just an example to show you the main functions. So after that, sometimes it could be important to make a voiceover. So let's make the voiceover to put the necessary part, and then just click right up here to record our audio. So here we can choose the microphone. That will be like MacBook, volume, and okay, let's start. Click on this red circle and trying to do. This is my nature in my neighborhood, so I think it's not that good as in America right now. So okay, everything is ready. Now we can deal with our audio right up here. We can see it on our timeline. If we'll click on it, we can see the settings. I would like to reduce some noise and also add some fade in and fade out, maybe like 1 second duration. Of course, let it be like this. So now it's okay. Maybe it will be also interesting to add some voice effects. So let's click and just choose like high level. Let's try to hear what's going on. Sounds interesting. I think we can left it right up here. So after that, we are ready to export our project. To do this, in the right top corner right up here, just click on export. So this is our export settings. Sometimes this window could be closed. We can open it. So here we can choose the title, let it be like test vid. After that, choose the export folder, click on this icon. I would like to choose the desktop. Choose the resolution. I'd like to choose this one. Bitrate is recommended. The frame rate, like I think let it be like this. So after that, we can just click on export and wait for a little to export our video. After that, everything is ready, and we even could post it on our YouTube. So guys, I hope this short tutorial was helpful and you saw the interesting functions of this app. I also suggest you to watch my other tutorials about this program in this playlist. Goodbye.